Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and guys, I'm gonna show you how crazy this Canva Magic tool is. Let's jump to my computer so we can have some fun with this tool. So guys, as you can see, this lady is holding a rose right here. And we're going to use the Canva Magic edit to replace this rose. So to do that, let's make sure that the image is selected. Then click edit photo here. And right here you see the beta Magic edit. You want to click Magic edit. Now you'll see that you have this little brush right here. So what we want to do is just use the brush to basically make a circle here, or just to rub over anything inside the image that you would like to replace. And in this case, we're doing the rose. So we have the rose selected, right? And now we want to click continue. And what can we replace the rose with? To make it easy, we're going to just replace the rose with a different rose. So let's try a red rose, let's say. So let's type red rose and generate. Let's see what it will come with. It's taking a little time, but it's not so long, you know, it's very fast. And here are two other options. This one does not look so bad, and in fact this one is not so bad too, but let's use this one. So let's try this one. And guys, look at that. It's crazy, right? I'm telling you, you can basically change and replace anything you want with this tool. And that's crazy. I really find this tool very useful because you can do so much with it. And it generates images that is like fit for the space or the place that you want to replace the current image that you have, if you get what I mean, right? And yeah, guys, I think this is a fun tool to use. And if you've heard about it, let me know in the comments below what you've used it to do. And if you've never used it, go ahead and try out this tool. It's nice to use. Guys, if you find some value in this video, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you're not yet subscribed, show some support and subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.